This is when I'm the first one to wake up. My father's upstairs. My brother's asleep. And he's awake. Let's try to It's awake. It's literally clock 34. Tuesday. Can you guys hear me? Okay, if not, that's okay. I keep watching up when I was watching YouTube shorts. I saw a girl talaga photo. Sa buhok niya, tinalbo niya siya. Dito tayo guys.